So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone videos aren't sending from your iPhone. So what does this mean? Well, basically you're trying to go through and figure out how to send out your videos that you have basically recorded on your iPhone, maybe to other people. So the first thing I would recommend doing is just trying to see how big the videos or files are that you're sending from your iPhone. If they are massive big files, meaning that they're just like 10 gigabyte files, well, then that's not going to send very easily through iMessage or whatever, even email. So if I'm trying to go through and if I'm sending a specific video or file message or whatever, the video file from iMessage or whatever, well, I have to make sure that it's in, it's fairly, smaller in size. Like I said, if it's a big file, that's going to be one of the issues. However, let's say it's a small one. Well, the next thing you want to do is just make sure that you actually have some sort of cell connection or Wi-Fi connection or data connection of some sort. If you don't have anything like that at all, that is going to be another problem. So check the top right corner of your specific device. If you're on Wi-Fi, then that's perfect. But if you have cell signal or whatever the case is, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you don't have any sort of no service area errors or anything like that at all. And you want to make sure you have decent speeds on your Wi-Fi. So you can open up your applications like your App Store or whatever other applications you have, and all you're going to want to do is make sure that those specific devices are actually correctly set up, and you want to make sure that you have a decent cell signal. So you can run an internet speed test, and if it's getting decent speeds, then you should be okay. Now the other thing, you also want to make sure that that video file you're sending, the recipient of that file, you want to make sure they are also like in decent condition, meaning they have cell signal, they have Wi-Fi connection, all that stuff. And you also want to make sure you're sending it to the right email address or the right phone number, because if you're not doing that either, that's probably going to end up causing some issues. If that still doesn't work, you can try restarting your phone. So just go ahead, restart your phone as you normally would. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. If that still doesn't work, you can also try going through and basically updating your iPhone as well. So go on your iPhone settings, click on software update, and all you're going to want to do here is update your iPhone, and that's another option that you have as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.